first of all, I'd say I was right there with you, right? I mean, I was in your shoes and have been part of the story around how the quality sciences were unquestioningly considered to be always part of the solution and not potentially part of the problem. It would be very familiar to me, I think, to feel as the individual in question would feel that the science is the science. It's not, there's nothing political about it. But then I'd say, look at what's happening in the world around us right now. Think about the many ways in which science is being marshaled to keep people and to keep systems as they are. Consider for a moment the way in which science is being manipulated at broad scale, at national scale. We've got a national story playing out in full view right now of how things that we might consider objective truths around masking, for example, have become political, have become instruments of power, have been manipulated into storylines that reinforce status quo or serve political agendas. And in light of that frank manipulation of science, one has to ask the question of how has our science, the science that we consider so important and dear, how has it been manipulated to reinforce the way things are and to prevent actual genuine progress and change? And if you go back to your own data and you do the exercise that we have done at IHI of studying your best results, take your best results and just ask the question of whether or not you can see clearly the benefit that has been brought to those that are most disenfranchised and marginalized. If you can't see it, then go ask the question of what the effect of that initiative really was on those populations. And that will help you to understand how the science itself might in fact contribute to preserving the system as it is, even as we're trying to change it.